Hello, Paul Sherry RVs. We have a 2016 Forest River Grey Wolf. This is a brand new travel trailer. The model number is a 23 DBH. It is a really great travel trailer. Double door entry, double bunks, slide out. Weighs in at like 5,200 pounds, so it's definitely a half-ton towable with tons of features. We have a power tongue jack, power stabilizer jacks on all four corners, power awning, outside speakers, TV hookup outside, double axle, easy lube axles, second back doors for the restroom access. We have a foot flush toilet, and I'll show you more inside. Rear storage rack, spare tire, outside shower, detachable power cord, single slide out, 6-gallon hot water heater, cable hookup. We fill the propane bottle for you, install battery. We'll plug it in and show you how everything works. Purpose of this video is just to give you a little walk around and show you what pictures can't. So we have storage in this awning side front compartment, storage under the bed inside, storage everywhere. Walking up, nice linoleum flooring. Has a single slide out with a U-shaped booth dinette that lays down into a big bed for adults, so you could sleep two there. Double bunks, so double beds, two bunks. Upper is a double bed, lower is a double. They're huge. The kids can definitely grow into these beds. So there's a second door, entry, exit, and we have a sink. Again, foot flush toilet, linoleum flooring throughout. Nice tub, shower, power roof vent. Brand new 2016 camper, everybody. It's even got a ladder for the bunk beds there. Got a walk around queen bed. Wardrobes on both sides. Storage over the top. Electric outlets on both sides. Pleated shades. Everything you can imagine. Half-ton towable. Undermount residential sink, 3-burner stove with oven, double door refrigerator freezer, ducted air, hot water heater, furnace, microwave, you name it. It is a brand new camper, brand new 2016 23 DBH. There you go. Retails at $27,196, but not here at Paul Sherry's, everybody. $16,950, lowest in the nation. Give us a call. Let us know. These don't last long, and if you want this, please give us a call quickly. Paul Sherry RVs. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.